Artificial intelligence, big data, open access. The technologies supporting research are evolving at a dizzying speed. But hey, we'll catch up. Over the next years, Australia will be developing the digital infrastructure that will define the research capabilities of our nation. An important part of that evolution are the digital commons, the systems and tools that facilitate data sharing in research. If you produce data that could be used by others, or would benefit from accessing data produced somewhere else, you're right in the data commons space. The Australian Research Data Commons, or ARDC, is the agency leading this work in Australia. They've been setting up the groundwork and are now ready to listen from future users. What functionalities would make a data sharing system especially useful in your field? Unlock the most value? What data-related challenges are typical or unique to your discipline? And what would it take to remove those barriers? The ARDC has partnered with Australia's Learned Academies to seek and synthesize input from the different research disciplines. By the end of this process, we'll have a list of basic requirements for the data commons system, one that will serve each discipline well while making it easier to share data across disciplines. Are you interested in exploring how digital skills and infrastructure can and will transform the way research is done in your field? Consultation begins in September. Leave your name and email in the project page to register your interest. There's enormous potential for research productivity and impact in simply sharing. Let's make sure no discipline is left behind in the digital age.